Hey, what's up, Kishu inu coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Kishu inu condition is something very good, but sometimes they were phased down. So therefore, I never expect this, my friend. But absolutely, you can see it in last 24 hours they were phased down. But if we check out, my friend, the last 4 hours, the last 24 hours, my friends, so you can see they will completely on the profit. So therefore, I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscribers, to sometime the coin were phased down for a short time. So this does not mean to you are starting selling, but a lot of holders are doing very huge mistake, my friends. So they are starting selling. So therefore, my opinion, my advice for all my viewers, my subscribers, this is does not mean you are starting selling. Alright, my viewers, if we check out the latest updates, so you can see here 0.804 USD dollar is the current price, and you can see the highest price is 0.804 USD dollar. So the both prices is the same. There is not a big difference, my friend, in the both. But remember, to my friends, after a huge term, every coin will pump up. So therefore, you can see, my friend, I hope in upcoming time the Kisho inu price will be increasing now. Alright, here holders, so as you can see here, to after a fails they will pumps up, and absolutely when a holders when a coin were fails down, then my friends, especially short-term investor, my friends, they will recover this all loss and they will starting holding. So therefore, I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscribers, to kindly don't starting selling, and remember to hold it. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the SLP price will more and more increasing. So therefore, I will notify you to don't starting selling and hold it. Alright, Kishu inu coin holders, can really this is possible to the team is going, my friends, to collaborate with a lot of companies. 100%, my friends, this is possible to in upcoming time. The Kishu inu team is doing very hard work, my friends. They will collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore, I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will easily hit now 0.601 USD dollar. But if they just only get a 10% profit. So thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope in upcoming time, my friends, they will give you a unbelievable and very huge pump. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.